Inhalants are those chemicals which are volatile in nature, means they are low boiling liquids, and these are the substances which mostly refer as glue sniffing. They include a large range of chemicals and solvents like model airplane glue. These are the names of the substances which are used as inhalants. They have sharp smell. Paint, thinner, gasoline, nail polish remover, aerosols, hairsprays, anesthetics, and ether. So these are all the substances which can be used as inhalants. They provide an instant rush like alcohol, and they are responsible to cause euphoria. Euphoria means the state of excitement by nervous system depression. Deep breathing of these toxic vapor result in loss of appetite, भूख कम लगती है, and at higher doses they are responsible to cause hallucination, wrong perceptions. Drug addiction and drug tolerance. This is another part of the topic, that is how we can what is drug tolerance and what is drug addiction. Addiction mean a state of heavy dependence on drugs. Sometimes it is physical dependence, but sometimes it also include emotional dependence. Drug addiction is a dependence on illegal drug or a medication, because sometimes medicines they also become a source of addiction, and sometimes persons want to quit, but most people find that they cannot do it on their own. So the drug tolerance, if the person diminished response to a drug and which occurs when the drug is used repeatedly and body adapts to the continuous presence of the ड्रग. इट मीन्स ड्रग एडिक्शन वो स्टेट है जिसमें आप ड्रग्स पे बहुत ज़्यादा डिपेंडेंट हो जाते हैं. आपकी बॉडी को रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं भी होती, स्टिल यू रिक्वायर, बिकॉज इट इज़ समटाइम्स इमोशनल इन नेचर, एंड इट इज़ अ डिपेंडेंस ऑन एन इनलीगल ड्रग और medication, because some medicines they can also become your addiction. Some people, so the person sometimes wants to quit, it want to leave, but they may do not find, they cannot find this easily, and they cannot do it on their own. Drug tolerance वो फिनोमिना है जिसमें आपकी बॉडी का जो रिस्पॉन्स है किसी भी ड्रग के अगेंस्ट वो ख़त्म हो जाता है. आपने उस ड्रग को इतना ज़्यादा यूज़ किया होता है कि आपकी बॉडी जो है वो अडेप्ट कर लेती है ख़ुद को उसके प्रेजेंस के अकॉर्डिंगली, और इसमें इतना ज़्यादा फ्रिक्वेंटली आपने ड्रग को यूज़ किया होता है कि आप उसको डेली यूज़ कर रहे होते हैं और आपकी बॉडी जो है वो इनटॉलरेंट हो जाती है. सो द इफेक्ट ऑफ ड्रग्स एडिक्शन एंड ड्रग टॉलरेंस ऑन सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम. Drugs are the chemicals that affect the brain by trapping into its communication system and interfering with the way neurons normally send, receive, and process information. So it includes depressants. Depressants are the drugs that slow down the function of the central nervous system. The drugs these depressants work down by slowing down the functioning of the central nervous system. So central nervous system stimulants, they produce different type of effects on the body, like increased heart rate, improved concentration, increased respiratory state. So stimulants, these are the drugs which have different effect on the central nervous system, and these are the drugs which can activate the process of the central nervous system. They can activate neurons because their chemical structure mimics that of the natural neurotransmitter. मीन्स इनका जो केमिकल स्ट्रक्चर होता है वो सिमिलर होता है नेचुरल न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर्स के. सो दैट्स वाई दे आर एक्टिंग एज द एक्टिवेटर्स ऑफ द न्यूरॉन. ये ड्रग्स इंटरेक्ट करती हैं बॉडी के साथ, मूड्स ऑल्टर करती हैं, इमोशंस ऑल्टर करती हैं और बिहेवियर्स ऑल्टर करती हैं बाय चेंजिंग ब्रेन केमिस्ट्री. Regions of the brain which are affected by drug abuse are the brainstem, the limbic system, and the cerebral cortex.